Someone crashes into Tall Guy Car Review's Mclaren, Aston Martin reveals their new SUV, and Goblinvette is selling the vet. All of this and more in today's episode of Sinclair News. Hello one and all, welcome back to another episode of Sinclair News. I am your host, Sinclair Photos, back with another juicy episode for you guys. Thank you so much for the support on the last video. I know it was out at midnight, but right now I'm looking, it's at 9,000 views since midnight, which is absolutely insane. Welcome all the new subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I just want to let you guys know, I didn't say it in that one because it was so late and I was kind of out of my mind, but we're doing the $100 giveaway at 20,000 subscribers, so keep them coming, guys. You're one step closer to getting $100 by hitting that subscribe button. Your odds now are better than ever, and with the recent uptrend of the views you've been getting and the new subscribers, I'm very excited to be giving $100 away to one of you guys very soon. So if you're new, please consider subscribing. We're always trying to bring you the best, most reliable news source to the minute, to the hour of when it's going down. So with that being said, let's hop right into our first story. So our first story today is coming from Tall Guy Car Reviews. I've not talked to him about the channel before, but we do have some information regarding his McLaren 570S Spider that he literally just put the 4G autos on to get to the LA Auto Show. Sadly, he posted this picture on Instagram which shows the side of the McLaren all bashed in. Luckily, it doesn't look like anything happened to the 4G autos, but you never know with that kind of stuff. Maybe the front is messed up more than that is, but send out prayers to Tall Guy. He just finished this car, but stuff like this happens when people aren't paying attention, and I'm pretty sure it wasn't his fault. So hopefully they'll be able to get the insurance figured out and get his car back up and running ASAP. So any Tall Guy fans in the chat, wishes McLaren a speedy recovery, and hopefully he will be back with more banging content very soon. On to the second story. Our second story today comes from none other than Aston Martin. They finally released their new SUV, the Aston Martin DBX. Now, this thing has caught my eye. It's a very beautiful SUV to go along with the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the Lamborghini Urus, the Bentley Bentayga, and now we have the Aston Martin DBX luxury SUV, also meant for off-road. I like how all the supercar manufacturers are targeting off-road, and I even saw an article while I was looking up the stats for this car that this car was targeting wealthy women. So that's going to be interesting to see. I can't wait to see the first one of these rolling around Houston. I know there's an event going on in Dallas this Saturday at the Aston Martin dealership where they will have one. Sadly, I have work, so I'll not be able to journey up the 4-hour drive to Dallas to see this car, but hopefully it'll be here in Houston very soon. And you know, right when it gets to Houston, I'll be over there making what my thoughts of the car is and a first impression walk around type video. But if you are in Dallas and you didn't know about that, the all-new Aston Martin DBX will be at your Aston Martin dealership this Saturday. Also, we had Mr. JWW doing a full in-depth review of this car while sitting still. Apparently they can't release the driving video till early January, which is very interesting from Aston Martin's part. Maybe the car's not done yet, but all the information about the DBX is in Mr. JWW's video. He said it was rocking the same V8 turbo platform as the DB11 and Vantage before it. So that's pretty exciting. Another luxury SUV to add to the mix. We'll see what happens with this one, guys. I don't think it's as expensive as the Cullinan or the Urus, as a matter of fact, but we'll see where the final price point comes in. This is getting exciting, and I think this is the last supercar manufacturer to do the SUV, unless Ferrari pulls something out of nowhere. So we'll just have to see, but on to the third story. Our third story today is coming from none other than Goblinvette. He is a prominent Instagrammer with the crazy rainbow chrome wrap C7 Corvette that has the plate "You're Weak," which I absolutely love. That thing is so loud, and he's really good friends with the Supercar Suspects. They do all sorts of videos together, and it's gonna be sad seeing this car go, man. It is absolutely for sale, and he posted a couple times to DM him if you have any serious offers on the Vet. Now, what we need is someone in the car community to buy this thing and keep the legacy going of the Goblinvette. This thing is too modified, too awesome to pass up on, so if any of you guys are looking for a crazy C7 scoop up, I don't know the price point, but I'm sure if you send him a DM, he'd be more than happy to tell you. Maybe Drew, if you're watching, scoop up this C7 before the new C8 comes out. That'd be pretty sick. But Goblinvette's Vet is for sale if you want to buy it. Go ahead and shoot him a DM if you're interested. On to our final story. Our final story today is coming from my boy Life with Slides. He just started out a YouTube channel, and I'm pretty sure he's going to be grinding out some crazy videos for you guys pretty soon. He actually has a snake that has been the first couple videos on his channel. I think he's only posted 5, but he told me on Instagram this morning as we were going through DMs that he wanted to post more cars and coffee content. I believe he's out there in Florida. So I'm sure they get crazy out there in Florida. If you guys wouldn't mind going checking out his channel, maybe subscribing if you're enjoying his content, and let me know what you think about it. I'm going to be watching him in the future when he posts more car related videos, but if you guys need someone else to watch, there's a new recommendation for you guys. So make sure to check out Life with Slides. Link will be in the description of the video. Very nice guy, very motivated guy, and I can't wait to see what he's going to do in the community in 2020. So with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by today. I really appreciate all the time we have spent together, even though it's only a short little bit of it. Updates on Omi In A Hellcat situation have not been released yet, but I will keep you guys up to date for those things if they surface on the internet very soon. So we'll see what happens, but remember, watch the best and skip the rest. If you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.